The Dr. T.L. Trophy 24th Inter-District Football Championship 2025 has come to a close. What a match we've witnessed, the grand finale of this championship. Over 30,000 people gathered here at the Indira Gandhi Stadium and over 1 lakh people viewed and Mon being crowned the new winners. In fact, the first time. And once again, joining me is their coach, Mr.Tingnyek, Konyak. Thank you very much. Tonight, I start with a hearty congratulations. It's the first time Mon District has won this prestigious tournament. How do you feel at this moment?
Uh, the feeling go number it's huge, it's amazing. I wanted this for my people and it happened, thankful to God. Yeah.
I think this was not just a celebration of Mon District, but a celebration of Nagaland football. Immense number of people. There has been like craze around football, particularly because of this championship. How do you see people's love and attraction towards this growing sport, this beautiful sport?
Football, yeah. Football is growing in Nagaland. Even today, massive crowd turn up, support. Pula to football do man kiba na thake. Will be like social media, will be YouTube, will be kiri sabti na. She popular just likewise. Younger generations can be inspired was takan be football bisi kusi pai na dia be takan they started to train. So football is growing. Looking at the people or the supporters aji laga she do huge as it do my bisi kusi pai not just because of my supporters Mon supporters but kun la team will be players can get discouraged in a way, turn up way, support way, cheer way. That means football is going in Nagaland.
Yes. Our Mon District, performance, especially about the tournament there, it has been a winning streak. Of course, that draw, but besides that winning streak continuously, So how did Mon maintain this, and how did you train your boys before this tournament?
Okay. First match, like Mohan, we could not play to our expectation, like we trained. Really, slowly. Tactical changes can be seen like our opponent get study kuise kunba kila position de tahan strong ase so likewise our coaching staff mohan milai na tactically isi change kuise our players can be ekta yede try go next day that try go inya na try koi guna last quarter final semi or final staple hoye je
It matched one of the most dramatic matches also finale first Newland lead protection in your Mon equalized. Even after extra time, 1-1 draw penalty witness. As a coach, what were you going through when you were on the stands?
A lot pressure to kile mohan early goal mohan concede kuise. Aro inya na aro penalty de jase extra time bisi de penalty de jase aro tie breaker de. So like moi bisa sagise moi la players kan do convert korbo. Aro moi la keeper bi moi la bhai ekta ase tai bi tie breaker de to phal thake so like pisas thakise aro mohan pray kori aise to isobi mohan lo de ase moi ina pisas kori aise kile mohan this time manga do alak ekta mangise like selfish bi hoi jan is na holi moi ekdam mid trophy do moi konyak kane chiti bole mon chai thakise to isoge bisi thanks ase tai mohan la prayer answer kuise couldn't be disappoint kora nai to tai laga ene bhabna do एकदम टेस्ट में एक दिबुले थाकिसे होला जस्ट स्कोर लाइन में जितिसे गले मान टेस्ट नवा दाइसे टाइ ब्रेक बा जिता और बिसि खुशी ना और ताके इसके थैंक्स टू
The Anyaks have won for the first time and then your team throughout the game man exceptional even Newland has been very exceptional now football as we discussed is growing one message that you'd like to give to football players upcoming football
players can be call mondo mohan at certain stage mohan rukhi jay mohan Nagaland alak compare if you compare to other states mohan alap niche de ase beli mohan platform pabole pahari jaina khilibole ki man na pai chance beli itu to pela la hoise itia to chance pai ase na focus bi mohan Nagaland je bisi pai ase beli mohan la Nagaland naga players kan mentality ki ase bisi all out dibo beli ekta stage te napungja nisna hoise give up hoye jay itu ado manu aina mohan ge logole noina nijoy jaigina na ekta try go na parise gole next day try go na parise gole try go ina if we push ourselves we will surely reach the top
What a powerful message. Thank you very much, Tingnyek Konyak.
Thank
So
you.
that was the coach of Mon District, the winners of this championship. And this is the last interview we're having at the Dr. T. Al Trophy. So we hope to see you in the next one at Mokokchung. Bye.
Thank you.